You're watching a tutorial video for the RSS scraper. First thing you need is a RSS feed, and here's one I prepared earlier. The RSS scraper will go to the feed and download each item on that feed. It will actually go and visit the page that's linked inside each RSS item. So the first thing you can do is select what kind of content you want to download. It's going to use a CSS selector. By default, it's going to grab the HTML, so everything on that page. If you want to only get specific bits of data, you can change this. Maybe just get body, or if you're only interested in headers and paragraph tags, you can change it like so. If you know what kind of content you don't want tags for, you can unwrap them. Most commonly, you might want to unwrap link tags. You can remove tags from appearing in the saved document. There's also the ability to remove specific attributes from tags. Next, you have the article string, and this is what you'll be using to format the content. You have access to two macros. The first is the title, and the next is the content, which is downloaded from this CSS selection here. You can see what macros you can use by hovering on the menu. We have the filter. You can select the maximum number of feed items to process. By default, it's set to 10. There is a Regex replace, so any content that you want to replace, you can do that using this box here. If you want to remove HTML from the saved article, just toggle this button. You can also choose to wrap lines in additional tags or any other content. RSS supports the use of a rewriter as well. Next up are task settings. So you have your task name, the file name that's saved as, and your saved location. You can also schedule this task and also chain tasks so that another task runs after the RSS scraper has finished running. I'm going to click on Run. Once the task has finished running, you can always preview the content that was downloaded. Hover over and click on Preview button. You can also locate and open the articles in your File Explorer. So these are the 10 articles that were downloaded, and you can see the plain text here on the left hand side. So that's all HTML. And on the right hand side, you can see the output as it were previewed in a browser. Click Next to view the next articles in the folder. And if you forgot to apply a spinner, you can always go up to Edit and use Rewrite or even translate the content. If you have any questions about what you've seen today, you can always get in touch with me at seocontentmachine.com.